You know, when you get your collection details and on the address it says 41 something something drive, Mr. Oswald or something. You're probably guessing I think I'm gonna have a household collection. Now, don't get me wrong, it can be a good thing, but it can also be a bad thing. Now, the good thing is that it will probably take ages for them to load my container. I've got a small container, 20 foot box. I think the last household collection I done, I think it took about 6 hours, but it was a 40 foot box, and they had a whole lot of people. So judging by the address, I think that's what I'm gonna be doing. So yeah, the good news is that it could take a while, and the good thing is, of course, that you're gonna get paid just sitting around not doing anything, and you'll be out of the road, because it's the week before Christmas, and honestly, who the hell wants to be on the roads this week? I don't, because it's crazy everywhere. So that's the good thing. Could take ages, sit around not doing anything. Bad thing is getting there. Now, I've checked Google Maps briefly. I don't have any restrictions going in, but you never know. It's a, don't think it's a cul-de-sac, but it's definitely that street. It's a dead end. So I'm guessing I'm just gonna stop just before the last turn and see if I can swing it around and reverse it. I don't know, look for the property or whatever. Of course, it's a bit stressful, but also the good thing is that I have an extendable trailer. I can shorten the trailer, and I can be a bit more short going around the bends, but not ideal reversing. I'm not sure, as I've said, never been there. I'm gonna get there in about 25, half an hour, and see what awaits us today. One day in the last 2 weeks, I'm not taking my sunglasses, and the sun is absolutely burning my eyes. Great, just freaking great. We are on the approach, only about 1 mile away. I see some freaking zigzags on the sat nav. Not looking forward to those. Oh yeah, this is gonna be fun. Okay, some trees, chopping down the trees. I see a sign up ahead, no trucks. Should turn left here. Chopping down some more trees. Fucking hell. Yeah, I know. Come on, mate. Come on. Ah, you're letting me go. Okay. Okay, you go too. That's great. I really hope I won't get stuck somewhere. Thanks. I'm in the right place, you know. I'm definitely in the right place. Thanks. Okay, avoiding all restrictions, which is good so far. Just wondering, should I shorten the trailer? But the place is just 300 meters away from here, so I'm gonna stop the truck right here. This is where we have to be. We have to go right there. I'm just gonna stop right here and take a walk, just to make sure, just to see how everything looks, because obviously you see how it looks. Probably I'll have to shorten the trailer, but I'll take a walk up there just to be on the safe side. Doesn't look that bad, but there's a bit of a bend coming through. Definitely this is the place. See if I can turn around at the end, or should I just reverse all the way? So that's the house that we are collecting, and this is the dead end. Obviously there's no way I can turn around here, so looks like it's gonna be a long reverse. Gonna be interesting. Well, I mean, it is probably about 200 meters to reverse. You know what? I have been thinking about it, and I think I'm gonna shorten the trailer now. It's gonna be a bit more tricky to reverse, but definitely better to it's just I don't know, I get a feeling that this is the right thing to do. And there we go. We are now smaller. I think it will help. It will definitely help. But still, it's pretty tight around there. But as I've said, it's a bit harder sometimes to maneuver it, to reverse it, especially. Well, we'll see. At the moment, we'll go with this. If not, I'll extend it or something, I don't know. Well, it's show time. Here we go. Of people stop to watch what the hell am I doing, why was I so decided to go all of a sudden. Don't think they see many trucks on these alleys. Usually trucks probably avoid this area. And now for the long reverse. Obviously I don't have a banksman. It should be okay. I mean, it is a street after all. I'm gonna try and keep the head cam steady, but I mean, I obviously have to look left and right probably a million times and more. Just hoping this guy will stop any potential traffic. We're gonna come to a bend in a second. That's gonna be a little problematic because I've got cars everywhere. Nah, I think they're gonna have to move a couple of cars. I don't know if you can see that one. And I've got another one on my left, which is sticking out pretty much. I need to show you real quick. See that right there? I don't know, these people, they have a driveway. I mean, yeah, these are pretty steep, but the rest of them, I mean, they all got driveways, you know. Don't know why are they parking it like that. See, this is the problem. We can't get through here. Just look at how would you park like that? I mean, even a small car would barely fit through there. Stupid. I mean, it's like a taxi driver or Uber or something. I don't know. Whew, I was lucky. So, these guys are moving 2 cars from this side. That taxi driver with the Toyota, it was just... How can you park like that? You're on the freaking road, man. You're on the freaking road. They're coming. Okay. I don't know if you can tell, but there's a slight bend as well, and we got another bend now. The road is turning to the right. Also got a banksman, so he's keeping an eye on us. Of course, I'm not gonna vouch for him. But slowly we are making progress. Keep an eye on the vans, man, on the cars, not on something else. Thanks a lot. This is one of the guys that moved the cars from the opposite side of the road. All right, here we are. Not bad, but not sure how can other cars pass on my left. We'll see. I'll have to go on the drive. I've got no idea.